cough is caused due to a bacterial infection in the respiratory system. The bacteria produce toxins that lead to inflammation of the respiratory passages. This disease usually affects children between the ages of 1 to 5 years and can be prevented by vaccination. However, these vaccines are not 100% effective. This disease is characterized mainly by bouts of severe cough and a whoop sound that is caused as one breathes in immediately after coughing. The other symptoms include a runny nose, mild fever and sneezing. As cough becomes severe, the child looks ill and distressed. While coughing, the child's face may turn red in color. The coughing spells may end with vomiting. One needs to take precautions as this is a highly contagious condition. It's best to take the child to a doctor. Meanwhile, at home you can use this simple home remedies to aid the recovery process. Take 250 ml of water, add 1 teaspoon Fenugreek Seeds, also known as methi. Boil the water till it reduces to half. Strain the mixture. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger juice, also known as adrak. Add 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix it well. Give this mixture to the child in 4 equal doses throughout the day. Crush a few garlic cloves and make a paste. Place it on a sieve. Extract its juice. Give half a teaspoon of this juice 3 times in a day. Garlic contains allicin, which has antibacterial properties. There is a high risk of dehydration in this condition, so make sure that your child drinks sufficient water or juices. All this liquid should be lukewarm. Take care. Hi, hope you liked the video. Write in your comments below and let us know what you think. If you want to share this video with your friends on Facebook or Google+, use the easy share options below. I will see you again soon. Till then, take care.
For more such natural home remedies, visit www.homeveda.com.